Ground Alpha Kilo Kilo.
Alpha Kilo Kilo, go ahead.
Requesting start for maintenance check flight.
Stand by.
Say to Alpha Kilo Kilo.
Go ahead, ma'am.
Sir, go ahead with information.
Ma'am, we're requesting start up for a maintenance check flight. The altitude will be 4,000 feet to 6,000 feet. We'll proceed 10 miles east of the airfield.
10 miles east of the airfield from 4,000 feet to 6,000 feet. Startup approved, temperature 32 time 32 and request position?
Position maintenance hangar, and our exact position of check flight will be on the waypoint Aksib, and we'll do a standard 2-minute holding for the check flight.
Over the Aksib, you will make 2-minute standard holding, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Copied. Confirm you'd like to start from the maintenance hangar or you'll reposition the aircraft?
The aircraft is already repositioned on the apron in front of the maintenance hangar. We'll taxi from this position.
Requested type of aircraft?
ATR 72600.
Roger. Alpha Kilo Kilo, startup approved. Temperature 32 time 34.
Stop. Thank you. Alpha Kilo Kilo.
Sierra 2 Alpha Kilo Kilo, squawk 4103.
Squawking 4103, Sierra 2 Alpha Kilo Kilo, request taxi.
Taxiway November 2 to holding point runway 14, QNH 1001.
Taxiway November 2 up till holding point runway 14, QNH 1001, Sierra 2 Alpha Kilo Kilo, QNH 1001.
Sierra 2 Alpha Kilo Kilo, contact tower 118.3.
Hold tower 1183, Sierra 2 Alpha Kilo Kilo.
Sierra 2 Alpha Kilo Kilo, line up runway for right.
Line up runway 14 right, Sierra 2 Alpha Kilo Kilo.
Sierra 2 Alpha Kilo Kilo, easterly heading after departure. 6,000 feet, surface wind. 110 degrees, 06 knots, clear for takeoff, runway 14. Sept Alpha Kilo Kilo, airborne 49, contact Dhaka approach 1213, good day.
Over Dhaka approach 1213, good day, Sierra 2 Alpha Kilo Kilo. On Dhaka approach, good afternoon, Sierra 2 Alpha Kilo Kilo. Passing 2000, climbing 4000. Turning left on heading 060 and squawking 4103.
Sierra 2 Alpha Kilo Kilo, Dhaka approach identified, request intention.
We'll proceed direct Aksib, and at Aksib will hold for 2 minutes. Sierra 2 Alpha Kilo Kilo at 4000.
Sierra 2 Alpha Kilo Kilo, 4000, approved, report over Aksib.